If OneNote is running slow, glitching, or showing strange display issues, disabling hardware graphics acceleration can often help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in Windows using the Registry Editor, step by step. This is a quick fix that can improve stability for OneNote and other Microsoft Office apps on your computer. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type regedit, then press Enter. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow Registry Editor to open. Now, at the top of the Registry Editor, click inside the address bar and paste this path exactly as shown. HKE current user software Microsoft Office 16.012 Common Plus graphics. After pasting it, press Enter on your keyboard. If the graphics folder already exists, great, you can continue to the next step. But if you do not see the graphics folder, that's okay too. You can create it manually. To do that, right-click the common folder, choose New, then select Key, and name that new key Graphics. Make sure the spelling is exact. Once you are inside the graphics folder, right-click an empty space on the right side of the window. From the menu, choose New, then select DWORD 32-bit value. A new value will appear, so name it Disable Hardware Acceleration. Again, make sure the name is typed exactly as shown because Windows registry settings are very specific. Next, double-click Disable Hardware Acceleration to edit it. In the value data box, change the number from 0 to 1, then click OK to save it. This tells Microsoft Office, including OneNote, to stop using hardware graphics acceleration. Once that is done, close Registry Editor. The final step is very important. Restart your computer. A restart applies the registry change and makes sure OneNote loads with the new graphics setting. After your PC comes back on, open OneNote again and check whether the issue is improved. This simple registry tweak can help reduce lag, screen flickering, freezing, and other visual problems. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.